Halloween is all about trick-or-treating, so I like to deck out the area around the front door for the kids. Right now, I'm making a very simple DIY project that's gonna make it look like the welcome mat squished the Wicked Witch. All you need are some striped stockings and some polyfill. Then we're gonna secure that with some sticky back for fabric coins and some Velcro industrial strength fastener. All right, so first, take that polyfill and stuff the stocking. We're gonna make it look like a leg. Then, tie the end so that the fill doesn't get out. So now I'm just gonna use a sticky back for fabric coin to secure the stocking into the shoe. Make sure it doesn't slip out. Now I'm just gonna secure the stockings onto the bottom of the welcome mat using the industrial strength fasteners. All right, now I'm just gonna use a piece of the industrial strength fastener to make sure the stockings stay in place. All right, line these up. There's already a piece on the back of this. Perfect. So easy and so cute. Happy Halloween.